Get a big bowl, yes, a big bowl, and a measuring cup too. You need granola and brown sugar and some skim milk powder too. Raisin sesame seeds or dried coconut, and of course the PB2. Take 1 cup granola, that's 250 milliliters, and you put it in the bowl. Add the same amount of skim milk powder and put it in there too. Then get your raisins and brown sugar, measure half a cup of each. That's 125 milliliters for you metric folk. And then you dump them in the bowlie, and then in with your hands you reach. Mix them all up, so it all looks just the same. When it looks like chunky white stuff, you know you've mixed it up enough. Bet you'd never guess I'm just making this song up as I go along, huh? How does he do it? Oh, take the peanut, take the peanut butter out. Fill 2 cups, that's 500 milliliters. They'll have fun trying to get it out. And then you dump it, then you dump it in the bowl. And then you mix it with the white stuff. Homogeneity's your goal. That means you mix it till it all looks the same. And then you roll them into ballies about 1 inch in diameter. That's 2.5 centimeters, about the size of a ping pong ball. And then you roll them in sesame seeds or in toasted coconuts. Put them in the refrigerator. Now you have your PB ball.